So the weather report said that it's going to be wind gusts up to 60 kilometers an hour or 70, I don't know. And it's already getting very windy, and now I'm super cold. And we have you, Eggy. Thank you. No. What? I'll give you a choice score. Do you want? Which one? Oh, okay. The wind is so cold because so windy. I guess stop, drop, and roll. Yes. Here you go, Two-Face. Take it. Yeah. Okay. Go. Go. Yeah. Oh my God, it's cold. Okay, do I need to stay low then? Toothpaste is somewhere over there, so I'm just gonna put food there. And there's these. Oh no! Like just being down here. I just had a magpie. Oh my God, it's cold. Do I need to go to lower grounds? See? Oh. Okay, I keep on hearing a magpie roll call sound. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I can't seem to find where he is. Hopefully he comes. Are you done, Glor? Oh. Yep, he's done. Okay, Glor. Okay, good luck. Go. What's wrong? He's there. Oh, wait. Do you see that plane? Okay, once a disappoint like just comes into the perfect moment. Perfect. You're getting so big, Glor. No. Oh, this is not an all you can eat buffet, Glor. You can't. No. Oh, you can't just take it. No. You can't take this. Want this? Do you like it? He's never tried it before. It's just a mix of vegetables and meat. Oh my God. No? Yeah, yes, no? Go. Well then what do we do with this then? Go. Whoa. Sorry. Glor. I think he just ate like a big cone in that. Whatever. Well, I do not have much mints left. Hello. Anna. Whoa. Now you can just take that. Oh, sorry, you want that? Hey, why are you? Hippo, he looks so silly with such a big thing in his. Oh, wait. Hey guys, he looks so silly with that. So where is he? I have no sights of him. Yeah, if you like that, welcome to that. Make sure to like, subscribe to all the good stuff to you guys later. But today, goodbye is a beautiful day to go. But I have birds for the morning breakfast at the beach.